Hello friends, today we will show special position of the game in which a great player Alexander Alkhain plays a greatest move which surprised everyone. See the position on the board. Here Alkhain has white pieces and now it is white turn. What do you think about this position? This knight is in danger and here what white should do now? Can you suggest anything? If you try, please pause this video and try to solve. Here white plays an unexpected, very igneous move, and after that black has no escape. What is that move? Can you imagine? See carefully the situation. And here that move is white played queen g6, blam. And here black cannot take this queen with h pawn. Why? This rook will go to h3 and mate. What to do? And now threat is queen cross pawn mate. He cannot take with f pawn because of knight will go here and g6 and mate on h3. If this take pawn take queen, then rook will go to h3 and mate. Then what to do? If black plays queen on c2 protecting this, then what will happen? Let's say queen c2, then rook on h3. And now what to do? He cannot capture this either by this pawn. If f cross queen, rook cross this h7 mate. What to do? Black cannot capture queen cross queen because knight into queen and then rook cross pawn mate. So here only option left is knight g5 and here queen cross g5. If g cross f6, queen cross f6 and here king g8 and white plays and g4. Here black has no good option but to resign. We will take back the position and show another variation of this game. So in the initial position, instead of queen here, if black takes this knight, g cross f6, then queen cross f6 check, only move is knight g7, rook will go to g3, only move is either to take this knight with queen or rook on g1, rook on g8, then knight cross f7 check, queen is to be sacrificed, queen cross queen, and here white is winning clearly by he will take this pawn. And what to do? No option, and here black resigns. Now we will show another example. Here in another example, see the position on the board carefully. Now it is white turn. Here white plays a special move and black resigns. Can you find that move? You can say the greatest move of all time. What is that move? Can you imagine? If you try, then pause this video and try to solve. And that move is rook e7, blam. See this position. This rook can be taken by knight, this bishop, this queen, unprotected rook. And here black has no option. White is threatening mate on this. Black cannot take with this bishop because of queen will go to f7 mate. He cannot take with knight. This queen will go to f7 mate. If queen cross this, then what will happen? Queen d5, and here black resigns, no option. Queen f7, queen f7 mate. Only mate, mate and mate. A surprised and splendid victory. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the content of this video, please comment and share with your friends. Stay tuned with Gupta Chess 15. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe the same. Thank you.